What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Ainsley D here with you with another video. And in this video, I want to talk about what's coming up for the next coming season. Yes, we're here, 2023. If you haven't checked out my video, I'm talking about what to expect in 2023. Make sure you check it out. I think probably one of these over here. Check out the link and talk about different things to expect in 2023, like some of the laws that they have in effect, some of the transition, inflation, and different things like that. But in this video, I want to talk about what the IRS is saying in terms of tax refund. You know, we got the tax season upon us. People got, their paperwork, getting their paperwork together, getting their filing information, contacting their tax preparer, as well as, their accountant, such as I was saying, like the IRS is saying that there will be smaller tax refund in 2023 compared to the previous years of like 2022, 21, and 2020. So IRS warns of smaller refund will be coming forward in this year, and it will be down by 20% or more. Some of this is some of the tax breaks have expired in December 2021. Some of those tax breaks that happened that was implemented during the stimulus era and the CP time and all that stuff. And during the pandemic time and things like that. So a lot of those things that came through those stimulus package has expired as of December 2021. So for the year of 2022, those benefits and those tax breaks were out the window. Matter of fact, some of those, like the child tax credit that was given to people monthly, some of that will be deducted out of the tax credit information that you put in for this year. So let's also see that like other things that will be affecting the tax refund for 2023 is charitable donations has been reduced. So, charitable donation used to be like 300 for like almost everybody. Like you can just put like 300 charitable donation, you donated stuff. But right now they have reduced that. I mean, it's not a big deal, but they have reduced it. I think it's more paperwork involved, and I don't think everybody will have access to that $300 deduction. Another thing that's affecting by this smaller tax refund, and reason why there will be a smaller tax refund, is like I spoke about earlier, would be the child credit for expensive. So the child credit for expensive, daycare, food, all that stuff, all the different costs of taking care of a child was between $8,000, like the max was like $8,000, something like that. But now it's going to be about $2,100 for the child tax credit expenses. Now for the child tax credit before, if you was qualified, and you had qualified children, it ranged between $3,000 to $3,600. Remember, between if the child was above the age of 6, you would get $3,000. If the child was under the age of 6, it was like $3,600 or something like that. Now it's just going to be $2,000 per child, flat out like that. And that's for the child tax credit. Now the child earned income tax credit in 2021, especially with people with low income with child, was able to have about $1,500 tax credit with that. Now it's going to be only about $560. So like people, I think earning under like $12,000 or something like that, they was able to get access to $1,500 per child. Now it's only $560. But a good thing in this tax season is qualified children, the max is up. So they didn't quite get rid of the max in terms of that. Also, expect tax refund to be less than last year because of many rules that changed from the end of last year. So like we discussed, many of the things and many of the reasons for a smaller tax refund for this year, the year 2023, the IRS warned, don't get upset if, you think you did the math wrong, you think your preparer did the math wrong and things like that. Don't get upset. Probably, double look over the things, make sure all the information is right. But most likely you will be receiving a smaller tax refund than previous years, and that's what the IRS warned. They got it on their website and things like that. So like we discussed, expect tax refund to be less than last year because of many rules has changed over the past year, especially the ones that ended last year, and also some of the rules and codes have also changed. So once again, it's Ainsley D. Hope you got some value out of this. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I have more videos coming out, so make sure you keep it locked. Stay tuned. Peace.